everyone, welcome back to Garage Zed. Today, got something pretty cool. You guys maybe were waiting for it. Showed him twice on this channel. That may give you a hint. And we got him somewhere locked up in a shed. But you may have been waiting for another driving video with him. Want to know what I'm talking about, guys? I'm talking about this grass. Yep, that's right there, everyone, this grass. Just kidding, guys. You know I wouldn't film a video on grass. Although I'm pretty sure I have put dirt in one of my YouTube videos. Don't ask me why. Anyways, so yeah, yellow shed. Anyone who's a big fan of my channel will know what's in the yellow shed. Do you know what's in the yellow shed, guys? Comment down below. I forgot. No, just kidding. You can still comment down below. I'm completely fine with that, but I didn't forget what's in there. You can see it a little bit now. So is that the tractor I showed in the tractor 2-for-1 special with Indigo? That's right, it is. And it's really dusty right now because I just took a really dusty ride on it mowing the lawn. But anyways, let's fire up the intro. Wait. Indigo, I was in the middle of my intro. Come on, did you really have to do that?
Yeah.
So, what did you want to disturb me for, Captain Kirk?
I had to tell you.
Yeah, spit it out. I was in the middle of the intro. This better be worth it.
Wait. I forgot.
Forgot. You're kidding me, right? I almost called you intro. Indigo, I was right in the middle of my intro. Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you, but I just forgot.
Okay, that is really annoying. But anyways, you better remember that, Indigo, because people are going to be disappointed if you just interrupted my intro for nothing. Well, let's just get back to the intro. That's right, guys, back with the Murray Lawn Tractor from 1986. Turned 34 a couple days ago. Yes, I have a birthday for him. Don't ask me why. I'm not the most normal human being on Earth. Not even quite sure I'm a human being, or on Earth, to be honest. Anyways, hey, Indigo, do you know what the Murray Lawn Tractor is? Of course you do. You're in one of the videos with him. Explain to the viewing audience, if they forget or haven't watched those videos, what the Murray Lawn Tractor is.
The Murray Lawn Tractor is a lawn tractor. Does that explain something?
Yes, it does. That's like the best explanation I've ever heard, Indigo. But before we get into the video, we gotta say something. Massive shout out to Kane. He comments down below on a lot of my videos. Massive shout out to him. Go check out his channel. Link at the end of the video. So yeah. Huge shout out to him. Thanks for all the support, Kane. Hope to see you commenting and showing all that support in my future videos. The reason I'm giving him a shout out is because, well, he's a good guy. Or girl, pretty sure a guy though. Anyways, oh yeah. But huge shout out to him, giving him a shout out because why am I giving him a shout out? Indigo?
Because there is a challenge on Garage Zed where you and your channel can get a big shout out by commenting. Well, actually, before you comment, you have to share the channel with two of your friends. Can you see that?
Yeah, we got it, Indigo.
Two of your friends, and then you have to comment, I shared, and if you share it with more than two of your friends, then you do a bonus at the end of the comment. You just do a couple spaces and say bonus, 2 people. And then you comment, I did the challenge, and if you had a bonus, then do your bonus thing, and you'll get a massive shout out. So,
that's right, Indigo. I'll just clarify a few things. So, the one that Kane got a shout out for was a challenge where you had to, first one to comment on I forget which one, but on a video other than me, you got a shout out. But this challenge where you have to share your my channel with 2 or more people, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below Challenger. First person who does that gets a huge shout out, even bigger than the one Kane just got, even bigger. Every time I can shout you out, I will shout you out. Like in the description, I'll say shout out to whoever won, and then I'll put a link to your channel in the description, link to your channel at the end of the video, and I'll mention you in the video. So guys, massive shout outs for these challenges. You guys got to do them, okay? Really good. Anyways, we're going to get into the video right after I show you this, or these. Chickens! What's up, Lashiko? That one right there, the gray one, see it? Yeah, that's my favorite. And there, that's Crystal. Many people's favorite. There, the other white one, that's Sharko. His name's Shark, but we just call him Sharko. He's kind of annoying. He's really loud. Indigo, do you have something to say?
I do. The gray one, that Garage Zed or whatever you call him.
Doc.
Doc.
Did you just forget my name, Indigo? Did you just forget my name? I don't appreciate it when people forget my name.
Well, I haven't done a video with you in a long time, so I haven't called you Doc in a long time.
Yeah, get that. But what were you going to say, Indigo?
The gray one that Doc likes is actually the stupidest chicken mankind has ever seen.
Well, you're not wrong there, Indigo. He's pretty not smart, that's for sure. Kind of like trips over stuff a lot. But yeah, so anyways, we'll get right into the video. I know you guys have been waiting. You may even have skipped through the video to the Murray part, but if you did, then you wouldn't have heard me saying this, so there wasn't even any point in me saying that. Anyways, remember to do the challenges. Let's get right into the video, guys. By the way, Kane, please comment down below if you're a guy or a girl, because I need to know if I'm going to keep shouting you out, because you're like a master at my challenges. But anyways, that's not the video. This is the video. Sup, Murray? Yeah, not doing so hot, are ya? No, he's not. Open him up. That sounds weird, but no, we open up his hood. Got his 11 horsepower engine, 399 cc. So yeah, tried to fix him yesterday. Here's what we got. We've been trying to diagnose what's wrong with him. We thought it was this plug, because I've never trusted this plug. It's like not very good. It's like probably the original plug. But then we thought it could be this fuse, because the problem is we turn the key and nothing happens. And when something does happen, nothing turns over the engine. Just nothing happens. One time we got a turnover, no gas in the tank, choke wasn't on. Murray doesn't really like choke, but when he hasn't been started in a long time, he does. But then, this little doohickey is a starter relay, and when we turn the key, sometimes we'll get a tackety from it. So something here is shorting out between this wire, can't really see it, but this wire and that wire. Something's shorting, and yeah, it sounds like a really quiet starter, and starter relays aren't supposed to make that noise.
Doc?
Yes?
What if it is your key that's not working? Your key. Your key.
My key? Pretty sure my key's alright, Indigo. But something to do with the electrical, and it's definitely this guy. Never trusted this guy either. I don't trust little electrical things. I trust the engine. Engine runs great, but these little electrical things, not too good. But close them up. It wasn't supposed to be a long video or anything, even though it turned out to be like it's 9 minutes and 47 seconds now. But I thought it was going to be shorter, but turns out it's not. I always think they're going to be short, and then they're not. Oh my goodness, Indigo, what did you just do?
I closed his hatch.
Okay. Well, Indigo, do you remember what you were supposed to say about the likes?
I do. It's not about the likes. It's about your 25 subscriber special.
What? No, not that. You're supposed to say the thing about the likes, remember?
Likes?
Yeah, 10 likes equals we get this guy going. Show some support, guys. 10 likes, please. Please.
10 likes and this guy will be cleaned.
Running tippity-top shape.
And
Get a super good video.
cleaned again.
Yeah. Come on, Indigo. Now, have you remembered that thing you were going to say at the start of the video yet? That's kind of annoying. You made me, redo my intro.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you about when you said to tell you about the likes.
Oh, yeah. If you didn't understand what he just said, don't worry about it. I understand what he said. That's the only thing that's important. Anyways, go on, Indigo.
The 25 subscriber special, 25 subscriber special is super cool, so make sure to check it out.
Yeah, please hit that subscribe button, press the notification bell, never miss an awesome, super cool video. We got a really cool thing coming, guys. If you like ATVs, and if you like four of them, we don't own 4, we own 2, but if you want to see 4 ATVs driving, one video, doing a bunch of cool things, smash that subscribe button. 25 subscribers, please, guys, help me out. We need it. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoy your day or whenever you're watching this right now. It's kind of cloudy day.
Wait!
Indigo, what are you talking about?
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, right. Guys, his channel's in the description along with another friend of mine. Go check out Indigo Gaming's channel. He needs some support. He hasn't been posting for a while, but that's only because his recording software is acting up. So please, guys, he's going to post a video soon. Go check him out, subscribe to him, and like all his videos if you want to see more content in his channel. I don't know if you can even hear me right now. Wind's pretty bad. But, alright, guys. See you guys in the next super cool video.
Wait!
Indigo, please, I'm trying to wrap up this video.
Yes, I know you're trying to wrap up this video, but I have a super cool video that is of me and you in Roblox, in time travel adventures. It is super cool. Go check it out. It's called Time Travel Adventures Perspective, and it is the first time we've ever finished the game.
Yeah, guys, we finished one of the rounds on that game. Don't know the game, go check out his video. You gotta see it. We time travel. If you like time travel, go check out that video. First time we've ever beaten that stage, and it's on YouTube, so big bonus. Go check out his channel. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, awesome week, awesome month, awesome year, awesome life. Yeah, that's right, Indigo. Awesome life.
If you like time travel, you gotta check out that video, and then you can go check out that game for yourself, and you can be a time traveling dude too.
Yeah, that's right. Ever wanted to be a time traveler? Go check out Indigo's video so that you can find out the game on Roblox to do so. Don't have a Roblox account? Go make one. Super cool videos. This is not an ad for Roblox, by the way, but super cool game, Roblox. Go check it out. And I know I've been wrapping up this video for a million years, but it's a problem. I can never wrap up videos all right. But smash that subscribe button. Helps me out a lot. Show some support. Smash that notification bell. Make it do a ring-a-ding-ding or whatever. Never miss one of my awesome videos. And click the like button on my videos. Please comment. Shows me some support. Anyways, guys, see you all in the next one.